You can now use multiple batch nodes together to generate every possible combination. Visualize every possible outcome, or pair each asset sequentially to the counterpart. Here's the true power of multi-batch. Let's say you need a set of lookbook images for a fashion brand. Line up all your model images and outfit flat lays. Import each group into batch nodes. Arrange the order and connect the two batch nodes together to an image node. You see that the Run button shows the number of combinations you can make. You can choose between pair and cross. Pair only runs when the two batches hold the same amount of assets and runs everything in pairs, whereas cross runs every possible combination. In this case, cross will run 36 times and pair will run 6 times. After running the generation, you can check the outcomes in different display modes in full screen. You can select between each batch, which are tied together in a blue strip in the in-node generation history. You can also extract everything out onto the canvas by right-clicking the output node, or copy all of them to another batch node. Let's say you need product mockup images this time. Import your product clean shots and background images into 2 different batches. Connect them together to an image node. Select between cross and pair and run. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.